In 2021, a new Titanic expedition returned to the bottom of the North Atlantic and captured the clearest footage ever recorded of one of the ship's most mysterious structural failures, the portside crack. For decades, researchers debated how the Titanic's hull actually failed as the boat plunged toward the seafloor. This newly released footage finally gives us the answers. As the submersible approaches the wreck, the cameras reveal a long, distorted fracture running along the port side of the bow. This isn't iceberg damage. This is internal tearing, evidence of the incredible forces the ship faced in its final moments. The steel plates are bent outward, rivet lines are broken, and entire sections of the hull appear to be pulled apart from within. Rusticles hang from every edge, slowly consuming what remains of the metal. It's a haunting reminder of a structure pushed far beyond its limits. Experts explain that this crack was created during the sinking, not the collision. As the bow dropped nearly 2 miles toward the ocean floor, the stress on the hull became unimaginable. Rivets began to fail. Steel plates separated under the weight of thousands of tons of seawater. The hull bent and twisted as the ship angled downward, tearing open along weak points. The portside crack is one of the clearest pieces of physical evidence showing just how violently the Titanic's structure gave way. The 2021 expedition recorded the crack in extreme detail, showing widened seams, collapsed plating, and corrosion eating deeper into. Comparing this footage to earlier surveys, researchers discovered that the crack has grown significantly over the past 30 years. This means the Titanic is deteriorating faster than many expected. The metal is thinning, sections are collapsing. The wreck is slowly being reclaimed by the deep. For marine archaeologists, this crack is a crucial data point. It helps reconstruct the ship's final movements, the stresses placed on its hull, and the exact sequence of structural failures. 3D mapping teams use this footage to build the most accurate digital model of the Titanic ever created, revealing how the bow twisted and tore apart during the descent. The portside crack is more than just damage. It is the Titanic's last message, as it slipped beneath the waves in 1912. And thanks to the 2021 expedition, we can now see this moment with clarity never possible before. A haunting piece of history preserved in the cold darkness of the Atlantic.